Okay, how do you doing out there? This is Ed Doherty, the CNC dude here at Suncoast Technical College, and I'm going to go over how do you sign up for your Autodesk Certified Associate in CAM for 2.5 axis milling. First of all, you want to be on this website. It says Autodesk Certification 2.5 axis milling, right? Log in with your account. If you're not logged in already, get certified right here. Let's see, where's it going? Here it is. This is the certification dashboard. It's got my certifications, right? CNC dude, no, certifications dashboard, exam results. I have not done any, so I need to get on board here. Certification dashboard. Let's see what we got here. All right. Schedule, and it says here, you can schedule an exam for certification 2.5 extra. Schedule your exam with Pearson VUE. Click that. Loading scheduling interface. I want to do it at the test center at the school. All right. We don't need that. This just tells you what you need, ID, what to expect, personal items. All right. Hit next. All right. Agree to Autodesk certification policy, more blah, blah, blah stuff. Cancellation policy, you can cancel 24 hours in advance. This is usually typically paid with Gene Haas Foundation money or your personal money. I agree. All right, it's got my address in here. I already signed up with my address. Where am I going? Charlotte Technical College, Suncoast State College of Florida, Manatee Tech, or whatever this is, K&E Medical Training Center. I'm going to Suncoast. Pink. All right. It's even got a map. All right, hit next. Processing regret. Select a date at your preferred test center. Let's see. We're almost into May. Oh, we got a couple of days available. All right. My code expires on May 4th, so I'm going to pick May 2. I'm going to pick May 4. May 4. All right. What time? Would you like times displayed? It's just Tuesdays and Thursdays only. All right. Our next available appointment is 8 to 10 a.m. Explore more times. Let's see what we got here. Oh, here we go. We got 5 times available early in the a.m. Nothing after 1, so up to 1 o'clock. Let's go with the early a.m. I'm going to do 5 seats available. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to pick 9 a.m. Right? I'm going to say book this appointment. All right, how am I going to pay for it? Let's see. My teacher gave me a list, and he gave me a code. I'm going to read it's on my list here. A code, let's see. I'm going to use I'll type it in, but you can't use my code anyway. All right, let's see. Review and confirm. Is there any other things here? Change appointment, change test center. Nope. Review and confirm. Oh, proceed to checkout. Beep. All right. Add voucher or promo code. That's time to do this. I'm going to type in my promo code. Oh, let me put it there. CPFA 8598215. Okay. Apply. It took it. Next. Okay, let's review the time. It's 9 o'clock in the morning, Thursday, May 4th, and my voucher has been done. Hit submit order. Submit order. An email has been sent to cncdude@comcast.net. There it is, Test Center, Suncoast Technical. This is how you set up your appointment. Is everything there? Everything to get there. That's about it. Close this message. You are booked. All right, prepare for exam. Let's go to that area. CAM for 2.5 axis milling associate. Continue. Sample test questions. Let's see what we got here. Oh, look at this. I think I already started this part. Let's go back to beginning. Oh, there it is right here. Module, we're getting started. All right, we're at the beginning. Getting started, course overview. You got a video here.
Welcome to the CAM for 2.5 axis milling certification prep course.
Sounds like Matt
This
Perez.
course will prepare you for the Autodesk Certified Associate exam in CAM for 2.5 axis milling. Through a series of lessons, practice exercises, challenge assignments, and practice assessments, you'll learn and apply the skills covered in the exam to boost your confidence and refresh your technical skills in preparation for the exam. This is an industry-recognized certification for users who've grasped the CAM skills needed for 2.5 axis milling for machinists using Autodesk Fusion 360. This type of experience typically comes from progressively building skills in an academic program or professional manufacturing environment for 1 to 2 years. The Autodesk certification in CAM 2.5 axis milling for machinists with Fusion 360 covers topics in process planning.
Okay, I think we can all watch the video on our own time. Let's go next unit. Get the software, we all had that. Course resources, if you want to do some practice stuff, you can save them. Next module, about the certification. Next unit, exam details, I know all about that. Sample test questions, refer to the exhibit. Multiple choice questions measure knowledge. Oh, a little bit of what it's going to look like. Refer to exhibit. Pick correct tool path. Answer says drill. Drag and drop questions, so you drag and drop to this side. Hot area. Click on icon in interface of toolpath simulator. Active screens. Oh, right over there. Graphic interpretation. Looks like a setup sheet. Alright, next unit. Test taking tips. Make sure you study. Next module. Let's see, before you begin, test your skills. Oh, take an assessment. Practice test. Look at all these, there's a lot of questions here. You probably want to at least take this practice test. Refer to 53 questions. Refer to exhibits 1 and 2. Which surface modifies example 1 to fill in the screw hole? I think it's called patch. We learned that in a Titan project. Refer to exhibit. What must be selected to enable the part position tab when creating a new setup? Part position tab. Part attach point. That would be, what's that? Model, oh. Part, maybe model box point, part position. No, it's box point. Fixture point. Which is a direct modeling tool can rotate the angle of a selected face? Oh, modeling. Rotate. That would be move copy. Refer to exhibit. Which command should be used to round a sharp corner in the before after? Oh, that would be fillet. When roughing a component, a CNC program machine is experiencing a considerable amount of chatter, vibration, and machinist determines that machines that are not contributing factors. Which 3 items can be changed roughing to reduce chatter? Let's see. Feed per tooth, optimal load, not engagement, no, not. I'd say rest machining. Yeah. Refer to exhibit. A CNC programmer is roughing a large pocket is 1.1 deep. It loses a flute height of, ooh, 0.75. Which toolpath should be created? Multiple depths. All right, that's enough. I'm not going to do all the questions here. I wonder if I can submit. Let's see how many I got right. Yes, submit. Question 1, wrong. Wait a minute, no, that was like the wrong one. I meant the wrong plug. Let's quite with the first one. Question 1, correct. Question 2, correct. 3, correct. 4, correct. 5, correct. 6, correct. And then I didn't get the rest right because I didn't finish. All right. Let's see, next module. All right. This is like more of learning. Next unit, review detailed drawings. Identify, explain GT&T symbols, required tool type, surface finish. Oh, another. This one answers like video quiz. It's all practice stuff. All right. If you can pass the first test, you probably don't need to do this, but if you can't, you probably do. All right. So I'm going to end it at this point, but when you get your notification and you get your Gene Haas free voucher, use that. And if not, you can actually just pay for the test. But I'll talk to you all later and hope you pass.